Hi! Wanna know how to set up fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A25? As a first step, we would need to open Settings and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Security and Privacy. Click on it, here scroll down and open this tab named Biometrics. Here we would need to choose Fingerprints. And as a next step, we would need to enter our current PIN code to verify and click Continue. Now we would need to click Continue again. And as a next step, we would need to put our finger on this power button, which is located on the right edge of your phone, and start scanning your finger. You would need to scan it until this percent will got to 100, and you would need to slightly change the position of your finger so the scanner can read your whole finger and not only the middle. So I'm doing it with every edge. And this is it. We have successfully added the fingerprint. Now we can click done, and here you can see that your fingerprint has been named as a fingerprint number 1. This is because you are able to add up to 5 fingerprints. It can be your whole hand or you can add other person. So now let's test it. I'll turn off my phone, then wake it up and put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the phone has successfully unlocked. This is it for today. I hope this video helped and thanks for watching.